Hey guys, in this video we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up Solve CRM Actions Automation for workflow apps. Once on your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app and click on Install. Right here, click on Allow and Install. Once your app has successfully been installed, you're going to refresh your tab and click on the custom page. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to your documentations. Under the tutorials, you're going to have access to the Smart Queue video that's going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials to set. We equally have the setup, which shows the status of the app. Here, we notice that our app haven't yet been connected. But no worries, we're going to walk you through on how to connect and set up the app. First thing, you're going to click on Start Setup and you're going to enter your login email and you're going to enter your Solve CRM login email. Head over to your account online. Click on the main menu icon. Click on Settings. From the drop-down menu, you're going to click on My Account. Scroll down and copy your API token. Click on the copy icon. Head over back to your account and paste your token. Once you're done, click on Complete Setup. There we go. Our app has successfully been connected and set up. We equally have the Support Center. At the Law Support Center, you can create a ticket for our support team or you can book a call with our support team. Right here, we have the changelog. At the Law changelog, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the new updates and the changes of this app. In order for you to receive these notifications, you're simply going to toggle on the notification button, enter your email, and click on subscribe. And that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you get everything set up. If you need any help, our support team is here for you 24/7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.